You must be ready for some CSS yoga. Let's jump into it. Now, I want you all to center your box shadows. Center them inside. Now breathe deep. Get that padding flowing. And then we'll finish it off with a near gradient.
Yesterday I saw this battle challenge video called I've Been Challenged to a CSS Battle Rematch. Can I Beat Him Again? By Kevin Powell. And it was a video where Web Dev Simplified went up against Kevin Powell and to do these CSS Battle.dev targets. They did 3 targets: max volume, eye of the tiger, and stripes. They did an awesome job at each one. They set a time limit for 10 minutes and they absolutely crushed it. I know I'll put the video link in the description so you guys can see it. I'll be doing something similar. I'm going to do the same targets. I won't set a timer for myself, 10 minutes, but hopefully by the end of the video I'll get it done under 30 minutes. Let's see how it turns out. Oh my gosh, I hope I can get 100% for each one under 30 minutes, but we'll see. And before I hear anything about it, yeah, I did let this ruminate around my head all night. Let's get started. Let the first battle begin. Starting my timer. First one's gonna be max volume. Okay, so I'm sensing some radial gradientness. I thought about it already. Okay, so we'll start off with a background. We want our radial gradient to start. Circle at center, and it's gonna be this midnight color. Okay, I want to maybe, how big is it? 60 pixels. We're gonna start our blue color. I want it to be at the same stop. That's big as all get out. And it actually looks like it's offset a little bit too. So I don't know how far offset from the center. So I'm gonna specify 20 pixels. Maybe it's simpler than I thought. Whoa, what was that? Nice! If you click shift, it does that. Okay, anyway. 25. Whoa. Whoopee. Whoa. What did... Okay. Okay, perfect. Oh, it is 25. Okay. Now we want to keep this ribbon going on this microphone. So I think I have my... Oh, yes, I have my blue color saved. And then I wanted to stop. So we're going to use this midnight color. And we wanted to stop at the same point it started. Okay. That looks really close. Okay. Is the blue stripe bigger or smaller? It's smaller. Okay. I'm gonna specify... Oop, no, I want to use this midnight color again. And I want it to carry over... Ooh, what the heck? I want to carry over for another 60 pixels. Of course I can't see anything because it's just the black stripe. And then I want it to stop at the same place I left off at on the midnight color. Oh, so it is a little bit bigger. Okay, so I want this to grow, baby. All right, okay. All the blue stripes are the same color, or same size. So let's expand it another 10 pixels. We'll start this midnight color at the same spot. We'll carry it over. It's pretty big. It's math. Yeah. Okay. And we'll copy this color over again. Oh, it's gonna stop at the same spot. Nice. Okay. Oh, where the hell am I? That's blue. Okay, so the blue needs to carry over for another 10 pixels. So yes, perfect. And then I want to stop it with this black color. No, right at the same spot. It's, oh, okay. Oh boy, where do I go next? I'll play with this div, but I'll make it something else. I'll make it a bit. Nah, I'll go with the div. Okay. So I want to center a div. This is my favorite way to center stuff. If it has to go on top of something, you just do top 50%, left 50%, and then you transform it. Translate both axes. And of course it's not going to show up. It needs to be a color. I'll do the border trick because I want like a carrot, and I'll just cover the carrot with the base of the microphone. That's a big border. I don't know. Okay. Oh, no. I wanted to do transparent. What am I talking about? Okay. And then border right, since we're gonna bubble out that right sucker. Oh yeah. I know if I tried margin right, I don't think it would work since I'm center or using left. So I want to push it over. What the F? Okay. Nice. That was really random. SAS isn't supported here. Usually I would just nest this before here, but I'll keep it going. I want to do the same kind of centering, but I don't really care about the left value. It's probably going to be something, I want to do it something custom. And for pseudo selectors, you have to use content for it to even show up. I don't know how tall that is. What color? What color? What's the color? What's the color, Brian? I don't know, you tell me. Okay. I'm gonna center this sucker. Just the y-axis. Oh, that's too baby. That's too baby. It's not even. That's too baby. Ooh. And it's not far out enough. So maybe 30? Nope. 24. Oh. 25. I like that they, keep it rounded. It feels like 31 pixels. That'd be kind of goofy. Okay. Border, radius. Oh, that's pretty big. Okay, how do we clip this gradient? I think I can just overlap another gradient on top. Does the order go this way? To right, because I wanted to knock that stuff out. I'll use this midnight color. How far do I want it to go? Well, if the circle starts at 25 pixels off the center, I might have to do the same thing. But for now, we'll do this. And I think they're comma perfect. So I want to offset it from the center. Nothing tricky here. So how much would I offset it? Guys, help me with the math. Help me with the math. How big is this border? If it's just 25, it's too easy. Come on. Is it 25? No way! Yes! Oh, okay. My setup is very jerry-rigged, so I think that's good. I'm gonna. Oh, should I clean it up? Oh, I don't know. Okay, I have to delete the comments first, at least. This is a battle after all, right? Okay. All right, I'm gonna submit this. Okay, I'm gotta stop the timer, right? Oh, that was so close. Shoot. Okay. On to the next one. Wanna start? Oh, next one. Eye of the Tiger. This one looks like a little bitty box. So I'll set an HTML background color to this forest green. Boom. Okay. And I'm gonna leverage body. Yeah, that's right. Ain't gonna use that div. And that's pretty big eye. This must be, let's center it first. I want to use position absolute just because to me it's easier. I know I misspelled it. Absolute. How do you spell absolute? I want to center it. Use the same method that I used before, and I'll set the color as this murky gold color. Okay, and I haven't specified a height or a width yet. I believe it's, I'm pretty sure it's just a square. We want to do border radius on the top left and the bottom right, so I'll try pixel value first. That doesn't give me what I want. Oh, this might be trickier than I thought. Go CSS Battle. I wanted to translate last, so. How dare you? You offset it, you little sons of stitches. I think I got my values off too. Oh. Killer. This will be the hardest part, just finding out which values to use. Actually, I'll do the border radius last. All I have to do is make sure this square is in the right place. So it doesn't seem like it's that big. It's not centered. What the? This is goofy. This is real goofy. Looks like it's offset a little bit. I'll try 200 again. How dare you guys not put it in the center? Actually, it's my goof. There we go. Hey, browser defaults getting in my way. How dare you? Okay, so I mean, I think that's right, right? I want to say it's just the fuzziness that I'm seeing here. Okay, we're gonna keep going with it. Let's keep going with it. I want to specify the border radius. Don't really think it matters, but I'm doing some shorthand here. Perfect. Okay, all that's left is to build this eye, and I already did that with the linear gradient stuff. So I think it's going to go on top of it, a radial gradient. We shall see. Circle its center. Where else would it be? Eye of the Tiger. Okay. I notice your eyes were like all over the place. I want to say it's a little bit smaller than 50. So we'll carry on that 50. Whoop, we want this rich golder color. Okay. Oh, it's way smaller than that. Oh, maybe because it's like the radius you're specifying, not the diameter. Oh, that does make sense. Okay. Getting these values right, that's the tricky part. Why do I feel like it's a pixel off? It just seems like whenever I hover over it, it's like, oh, that's gonna freak me out. Anyway, I gotta carry on. Let's do the gold color. How big is that sucker? I'll say it's 70. And then we're gonna stop at this forest color. What the f— oh my god, why? I'm not some pixel magician, okay? That was a random guess. Okay. It feels like a margin off. That's gonna haunt my dreams forever. Anyway, let's carry on. And it looks like it's about as big as that microphone ditty. Am I doing it wrong? No, I'm not. I just gotta cap it off. Cap that sucker. Bam! It's like it's a pixel off. CSS Battle. .dev, how dare you? Oh, that's way off. Maybe I was right. Wait, this one's mine. This one's... oh. Maybe I was 1 pixel down? Oh, it's 0. Girl, it's 0. But it just seems fuzzy. Oh, okay, let's submit it. How much time we got left? 5 minutes. I mean, does it count if I like submit it and then try again? I don't know. Anyway. This one was too easy. Get my Jimmy James up in a bundle. Okay, I'm gonna submit it. Let's submit. Oh my gosh. Yes! Yeah! Oh, shoot! Okay, awesome. I'm gonna... stop that timer! Stop that timer! Woo! Ooh. Ooh. Alright. Gonna reclaim myself, drink some carrot juice, and start the next challenge. It is time we start this battle. I got my stopwatch up. Let's start the 3rd battle. What's it called? Stripes. So I want to put a background on this sucker right here. Of course, I always start with the background. That's what I got. Forest background. Call it whatever you want. I think what I'm going to do is kind of squeeze this golden box into... who needs the div? Within the... I'm going to squeeze it. So I want the background to be... this gold. Oh, baby girl. Okay. Put a padding on it. Let's see if I can... oop, nope. Increase that sucker. Oh, it's... okay. A little bit off. Oh, perfect. Okay. Now I want to get this edge here. I want to make sure it hits. So what did they... oh, man. Oh. Wait, now that seems off. Oh, no, okay. Maybe a little bit less. Ooh, I can't even tell. How dare you? Okay, maybe it's... okay. That seems pretty close. Maybe... okay. I think that's what I want. Yes, okay. My famous trick. We're going to convert this into a linear gradient. Put that sucker to bottom. And then it's... is that a repeating pattern? It's hard to tell, but I'm gonna roll with it. Seems pretty big. And create a stripe pattern. Ooh, that looks nice. That's very interesting. I definitely put it on the wrong thing. Okay. No worries. Alright, now we're back in business. Yep, looks like I was right. We want it to repeat, so I believe that might be it. I could just do a background size of 100%. I want it to repeat along the y-axis. Alright, so we got that part. And I could probably do another like stacked gradient, but it's probably easier to use the pseudo selectors to just do a before and after circle to mask that stripy shape. Dum, 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 dum. I'll do my favorite. I love to center this way. I just think centering helps you anchor better. Just your mind. Anchor that mind. Alright. So I actually want to do this to both body. After and before. Alright, so I want to modify each one separately, so I'm going to create another line for the before and after. I could technically use reflect, but my brain can't handle doing that again. So this is what I got. I'm going to put the forest mossy kabossy background. Okay, it shouldn't show anything. There's no height or whatnot to this sucker. I want it to be uniform. I want it to be a circle. I don't know how big that circle is going to be. I might get in trouble with VW, so we'll go back to pixels. Perfect. Okay, so now it's like covering my sucker up, but that's not good. I need to get it out of there. Okay, so it seems like I got the circle, or at least the box, far enough away. Since I set it to, I want it to be a circle, I can just say 50%. Now, what I'm going to do is try to get it closer. That's a big circle. Oh my god, I was so off. Okay, that's a big circle. Oh my. How am I going to figure that out? Okay. I want to get it out a little bit more. What? Okay. I swear guys, this is like, it's completely random. But that looks perfect. I wonder if there's should I keep going? What should I? Let's see. Check the syntax. Looks all good. Yeah. Let me get rid of this comment. Bada bing, bada boom, bum bum boom boom bing. Oh, and this div. And that should be it. Yeah. Let's submit it. .9 6 minutes for 99.9%. I'm getting tricked. What the heck? Ooh, that was a little spicy. I did 3. I really thought that the last one I would get 100%. Don't know what that could be. It looks darn near perfect to me. If you ever want to challenge me, let me know. I'm free to challenge whomever steps up to the plate, whether it's Kevin Powell or Web Dev Simplified. I would love to do some kind of collab. That would be awesome. So let me know if you have any other techniques that you use for these little bad boys. That'd be cool to hear about too. I do weekly CSS Battle videos, so if you want to learn some CSS along the way, I do some pretty cool stuff sometimes. Just hit my channel up and, you know, just love me. Cool. See y'all.